Okay, my friends, let's figure out how to copy this new data you've converted over to the other spreadsheet. So what you're going to do first is you're just going to select it all. So I'm going to click up here in was that C3 and then highlight all the way down through D13. And I always hit copy, Control C. That's on a Windows machine. It might be a different thing on a Mac. You can also, I think, come up here to go to edit and then hit, yeah, you can hit copy right there. Okay, so then you gotta come over here to feet. Now, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna do this wrong first. So for example, if I just hit paste right now, and I always do Control V, you'll notice that you get a bunch of zeros. And the reason that happens, and it doesn't happen all the time, but the reason it happened this time, I'm gonna undo that with a Control Z, is because when you copy this, Sheets thinks you're copying this formula. So since that formula is related to the cell that's right left of it, that was kind of funny, directly left of it, when you actually come over here and paste it here, it's actually looking, if you take a look at this formula up here, left of this cell, which has nothing in it, which is why it shows you a 0. So what you want to do, I'm going to undo that. There we go. Oops. Control Z. You want to come back over here. I'm going to recopy it, although I don't know if I have to. Copy. And then come back over here. Click in that same cell you started to click in, but come up here to edit, and then come down to paste special. Now, and I'm not going to get into this too crazily right now just because it doesn't make sense to get into it crazily. But what you want to do is you just want to paste the values that you copied. Not the formulas, just the values. And when that happens, you'll see, you check it out right there, those are the actual numbers that came over here from the meters sheet. And we're going to do one more thing since we're here. Since these are feet increasing from 35 to 130, and these are feet increasing from 33 up to 131, there's definitely some close overlap there. And you notice those points got added to the scatter plot. It might be a little hard to look at this way, so I'm going to select all of this data, and I'm going to go up to data, and we're going to go to sort range. I may have showed you this in another video. I apologize if I'm repeating myself here, but sort range, and we are definitely going to sort by column B, A to Z. That means we're going to put the numbers of feet starting with the lowest going to the highest, and then we're also going to add column C and do the same thing. Sort those, and we're going to sort them, and there you go. Now they are now sorted, increasing all the way. The graph didn't change at all because you didn't have to do what I just did. The graph is going to represent the data points whether or not they're in order here at all. Okay, so now you got your graph in place, and let's go back and finish up the homework.